Attorney Zach Ritchie here today to talk to you about what to expect after being released from an OVWI arrest. So you've been arrested for operating a vehicle while intoxicated, and you've likely been arrested and put in jail. Usually within the next day or two, you'll be able to post bond and be released from jail. When you're released from jail, you're going to be given what's called an initial hearing date. An initial hearing is your first time in front of the judge, where the judge is going to go over the charges that the state of Indiana has charged you with, and the possible penalties. It's very important that prior to your initial hearing, you need to call and hire an attorney. An attorney is going to be able to talk you through the next steps, which are crucial steps to make sure that you have the best possible outcome for your particular case. At your initial hearing, the state of Indiana may try to suspend your driver's license. In certain circumstances, we can keep you driving while the case is pending. One of the most important things is that you will need to be given what's called SR-22 insurance. SR-22 insurance is basically a high liability policy that not only the judge will require, but also the Bureau of Motor Vehicles. While your case is pending, it's very important to not only listen to your attorney, but also listen to what the judge tells you. Your attorney is going to give you a checklist of things that you can do to better help your chances of getting a positive outcome in your particular case. The judge is going to tell you to refrain from any use of drugs or alcohol, and more importantly, to stay out of trouble. If you were to pick up further charges, that can only exacerbate the situation that you're in and make it far more difficult to navigate. After your initial hearing, you're going to be given a number of court dates. The first is what's called a pretrial conference, which is basically a hearing for your attorney and the state of Indiana to get together to discuss the case and any possible issues that you have. Along with that, you might be also given a bench trial date or a jury trial date. It's important that you stay in contact with your attorney so that you know each and every one of your court dates, because it's very important that you do not miss them and you show up to get the best possible outcome for your particular case. If you've been charged with a crime or have any questions, please give the Marc Lopez Law Firm a call, 317-632-3642. Again, that's 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.